My name is Jasmine. I am 20 years old. I have a daily routine that I follow. Every morning, I wake up early and get out of the bed. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh. After that, I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast for myself. I like to have cereal with milk and a cup of tea. Once I finish my breakfast, I get dressed and go to my college. At college, I attend different classes. I study subjects like maths, English, and physics. During my break time, I usually meet my friends in the cafeteria. We talk and laugh together while having a quick snack. After all my classes are done, I come back home. When I arrive home, I like to relax for a while. I sit on the couch and watch my favorite TV shows or read a book. Sometimes, I also listen to music and sing along. It helps me unwind after a long day of studying. In the evening, I help my mom with the household work. I clean the dishes, sweep the floor, and sometimes cook dinner. I enjoy spending time with my family and helping them. After dinner, I take a shower and get ready for the bed. Before going to sleep, I like to read a bedtime story or listen to soft music. It helps me relax and fall asleep faster. I switch off the lights, cuddle up in my cozy bed, and dream about the next day. My daily routine may seem simple, but it helps me stay organized and focused. I believe that having a routine makes my days more productive and enjoyable.